Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
During Imam Ali's Khilafat, Imam Ali was passing through Kufa's streets. He saw a woman who was very weak and sad. 2 loaded bags were raised on her shoulders, and she was walking very slowly and with difficulty. Hazrat Ali felt very sad when he saw this scene. He walked towards her and asked her permission to help her to take her burden and drop it to her home. This woman accepted the help of Imam Ali. Imam Ali raised both of the bags on his shoulder and started moving towards the woman's house. On the way, Hazrat Ali asked her about her condition. The woman replied, "My husband was in the army of Ali, and he was martyred in one of the wars and left me and my children alone. And I do not have any guardian and helper. I am forced to do everything myself." Hazrat Ali returned home after taking the bags to that woman's house. But the next day, Imam Ali came to her house with 2 baskets filled with food and knocked at her door. So the woman asked, "Who is at the door of our house when everyone has forgotten us?" The Imam replied, "O kind lady, I am the one who helped you yesterday. Open the door, I brought some food for the children." "Oh my brother, God bless you. If you had not come, I would have been disappointed by the Kufians. I did not find anyone that could bring our complaint to our Caliph and Imam." At that time, the eyes of the Imam got filled with tears. He started watching the orphan children sitting around in a circle, eating food while laughing. When the woman's neighbors heard the sounds of laughter, they looked over the fence and wondered why Hazrat Ali was feeding both the children by his hands. The neighbors came forward and said, "Oh lady, what are you doing? This man is Amir al-Mu'mineen." The woman was surprised and became very embarrassed in front of Amir al-Mu'mineen and begged him for forgiveness and said, "Oh Amir al-Mu'mineen, forgive me, I want to apologize." Hazrat Ali raised his head and said that I want to apologize to these orphans and I seek help from God to do the best for these orphans. Then the woman raised her hands towards the sky and said, "Thank God that He made an Imam for us in His government. There is no wrongdoing against orphans or the poor."